Hello everyone, welcome to Arca Trade Market. Today's video is going to be very important. We are going to discuss a most important topic to how to create a trading strategy. Okay, I just at the end of this video, I just want you to create, I just want you to build your own trading strategy. Okay, I don't want you to depend on many people. Okay, I don't want you to waste your money for buying different trading strategies. Okay, if you can go through this video, you'll come to an understanding you'll come to an understanding that how to create your own strategy. Okay, this is gonna be very important. Just please go through this video. By the end of this video, I hope you will build your own strategy and trade accordingly. Okay, see, uh, first thing you need is a psychological preparation. What is the psychological preparation? Like, set your goals. Like, what do you want from the market? Example, steady income, or long term, you want to build long term wealth, or every day you want to make some amount of it. So these kind of goals you have to fix in your mind for first. Okay, that is very important. What you are trying to do is the most important point. So set your goal and then select your market. See, there are different types of markets in uh, trading platform. Like, stocks are there, indices are there, or crypto is there, commodities are there, forex is there. So just choose one which suits you better. If you are an employee, you cannot trade in the daytime, right? Like, so that you cannot trade in indices market. So if you come from the office, it may you may come by 5 or 6 or 7. So that time you may choose commodities, so that based on your comfort and based on your interest, just select your own market. Okay, so uh, I mean, what happens is, each every market gets its own volatility. Okay, also this liquidity also changes from the market to market. Okay, example, uh, you can find, like, in crypto, let us take crypto as an example. If you see bitcoin, there is huge liquidity in the market. Or if you take some other coin like shibu, there won't be that much of liquidity as much as bitcoin has. And at the same time, in indices, if you take index of nifty 50 index, it has huge volatility. The same way, some other market may not have as much liquidity nifty 50 has, right? So select your market. Don't just jump into every possible market you are, whatever you see. Okay, and style of trading is more important. Okay, what is that? Like, example, I'll tell you what kind of styles are there in trading. Like, scalping is there, day trading is there, in intraday there is also swing trading is there, and positional trading is there. So these kind of, uh, there are different types of trades, but which suits your lifestyle, you just choose it. Okay, and next, uh, analysis style. I particularly go by technical. Why? For intraday trading, mostly I'll prefer technical analysis only. If you want to do some investments, then it comes. There will be a fundamental analysis also there, or algorithmic, or what you say, AI, using AI. There are different possibilities are there. Okay, for analysis. So I particularly believe in myself. I do technical analysis for intraday trading or swing trades. I do fundamental trades for long term investments. So this is how you have to decide yourself. Okay. Uh, for long terms, technicals may not give you that much of impact. Okay, but fundamentals will definitely will give you very good edge. Okay, so next, put rules for yourself. What are the rules? I mean to say, where do you want to enter? Where do you want to exit? For these things, you have to put certain rules. Otherwise, whenever you see the market, if you directly jump into it, you lose all your capital. It will ruin your life. So define, okay, uh, like how, for example, if you want to take an entry, then you have to think like what must happen before you take a trade. You should think like that, which means in general I'll tell you, if you're using a EMA, okay, like what is it used for? Example, I'm telling you, it is used for trend filter, okay, or trend direction. It will tell you the direction of the market, let us say. So if the candle is above 20 EMA, means market is going upside. So that you have to wait for a particular candle which gives you the confidence, okay, which meets your rules, okay, so that you will enter in the market, you will go and buy in the market. At the same time, if you want to sell, that candle should be below the TMA, okay, and it should be a very good red candle. So these kind of rules you must follow, okay. And for back testing, this is I'm telling you very 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 important. How much of perfect, whatever the trading strategy, how much, how perfect it is, it doesn't matter if you don't do back testing or paper trading. You're not going to succeed in your trading career. I'm telling you, definitely you won't succeed. Okay, you have to know how the market is reacting to your strategy. Otherwise, how will you do it? Yeah, you can define your rules. Okay, that's very fine. At least I have done at least uh, 20. Oh, sorry, I won't say that much. At least okay, when I started 6 7 years back, I have done almost 5 to 6 years of back testing. Okay, markets back testing. So now I totally at least around 10 to 12 years of market testing I have completed, so that I have an idea how the market is going to react to my trading strategy. And then comes the types of indicator. Okay, types of indicators. This is also very very important. Okay, let us say I know this much only. Trend indicators are there, momentum indicators are there, volatility indicators are there, volume indicators are there. Okay. Uh, okay. Uh, Actually, I've been telling you indicators, indicators, indicators. So what is an indicator is actually, in order to analyze in your chart, what are you going to analyze? Price action and market behavior. Okay. There, these indicators will be useful. They have some calculations based on price and volume or both sometimes. Okay. So what happens is we often combine these things, these indicators to build our strategy. Okay. So these are very very important to build our strategy. These indicators. Okay. Uh, what are the different types in trend indicator? What is trend indicator? It will help you to identify the direction of the market, so that you will come to an understanding whether market is going up or going down. So based on that, you can decide if you want to take a buy entry or sell entry. Okay. And what are the different types? Moving averages are there. Simple moving average is very famous. These two. Okay. And also MACD. I don't know how many people know MACD, moving averages, convergence, divergence. It is also very popular. Okay. Also parabolic SAR. Uh, these are trend indicators that will tell you how the market is going. Okay. And also momentum indicator. We are going to know about momentum indicator. What is this? uh, it will tell you the strength of the market. Okay, strength of the price. Okay. You know that price moves according to the market, right? If there is a strength market, okay, market is showing uptrend. If you don't know whether market has that strength or not, what will you do? Even you take an entry, it may reverse. If that market has momentum, that strength is there, then both will go both are indicating in a positive direction, the market will go positive. Or both are showing you negative, then market may fall. So that is how, whichever direction these both indicate, that market will move on that particular direction only. Okay, which is help you to which will help you to avoid so many disasters. Okay, next, volatility. What is this particular volatility? uh, I can tell you the range it will tell. Particularly, I can say how much of range market can move. It may predict. Okay, that you can say how much price is moving. You will come to an understanding. Example, best example will be Bollinger Bands. Okay, this is the best example and very very popular for volatility indicator. And also ATR, average movement per candle, I mean to say average true range, it is called, uh, or Keltner channels. These are some of the volatility indicators. Okay, Bollinger Bands is vastly used. And one more is volume indicator. This is also very, very popular. Like, how much of volume is traded in particular candle or particular level. You will come to know the in the volume indicator. Okay, so that you will come to understanding that whether there is a buying pressure or selling pressure is there or not. Okay, uh, examples. If you want me to tell you, VWAP is there. Okay, OBV is there. Uh, so these are some of the accumulation or distribution line. These will, like, what happens, identifies the volume. Okay, and so we come to a most important point: build your own strategy. Build your own strategy. See, basically, I'll tell you uh, in a simple way. What is that? Building a strategy is nothing but creating a particular plan that help you to make a consistent and disciplined decisions in the market, right? uh, Again, I'm telling you, don't get bored. uh, Building a trading strategy means creating a structured plan that helps you to make consistent and disciplined decisions in the market. Okay, so how do you build? I particularly just a second. I use Confluence. I use Confluence. What is this Confluence? This is particularly, I use Confluence. Confluence is nothing but if two or more indicators are showing you particular direction or giving a particular signal, then we'll take an entry. Combining two or more indicators is called nothing but Confluence. Okay, this is very 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 important. So I use, what kind of indicators you use, completely depends on your interest. I'm telling you, your understanding. Okay. What I can say, see, creating a trading strategy here. I want to create a trading strategy. Oh, no, not this one particular one. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I'll say. Hmm. I'll type it here. Okay. What is Confluence? Hmm. Here I'm going to merge two. Okay. My own strategy here I'm telling you according to my wish. And if you want to create your own, you can do it based on this. Okay. I'm going to use trend indicator. Okay. And I'm going to use momentum indicator. At the same time, here I'm going to use There is chance if you want to use it, or if you want to use it, otherwise don't. Because I don't have premium version for this. Only two indicators are allowed in trading view for free version. I'm taking these two. Okay, one trend indicator and one momentum indicator. What are the indicators I'm going to use here? Okay, for this, okay, here I'm going to use EMA. Okay, and here I'm going to use RSA. This is my favorite. These two are my favorite. Okay, I've been using these two for so long to build my strategy. Okay, uh, here what I'm going to do, I use EMA and RSA as my as my part of my trading strategy, and also defining these two indicators as much as important as following rules. Define rule. Example like uh, you should know support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance also you should know, and also you take entries based on price action. Okay, how this price is acting at your indicator or at support. See, your indicator is showing an entry, buy entry at resistance level. Will you take it? No, you should think once or twice, okay, before taking. If there is any possibility of breakout, then you can take. Otherwise, you should not take. And at the same way, if the market is showing selling side at support level, then you have to wait until there is a confirmation price action confirmation is there. Until then you should wait. Okay, you should not take any entry blindly. Okay, that is what I am suggesting you. So uh, now I'm going to backtest for 1 or 2 days. Now you will. Okay, here let us see. I have taken, you know how to put indicators, right? There is an indicator option here. Just enter EMA. You'll see moving average exponential to take that, and enter RSI. You'll see relative strength index here, and just take that also. So now define. I put 20 EMA here. I have given 20 is my level. Okay, that is most popular, and at the same time, It works well. Okay. If you, just want to combine these two to take an entry. Okay, here I will show you. See, okay, let us see. Here I have taken an entry. It has met my rule, and also it met my rule. Okay, so that I have taken an entry. What are the rules? It is that it touched my 20 EMA and made a very good green candle, and also the RSA is above this particular moving average. Okay, so it's meeting my both indicators rule. Okay, condition. So I have taken my condition. What are the condition I have put? It met. So I have taken entry and it failed. It hit my stop loss. Okay, fine, not a problem. And even immediately it has given me another entry here. Okay, for what? Put, or you can say selling. For selling, it has given us a chance. So I took entry here. I put my stop loss above this candle, and see market how well it moved. Okay, see here I want to tell you one more important point. Risk reward is most important point. Okay, very important in trading career. What happens when you are taking an entry? If the market is not giving at least 1:1 ratio, the trade is wasted, in my opinion, particular opinion. So what you do, you always plan for at least 1 is to 1 and trail accordingly. So it will give you 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3. See, 1 is to 1 ratio it has given and suddenly market moved more. So what will you do? You will wait. You will wait until the market, you will see how much market has moved, right? So this is how. This is a, why did you take the entry here? Because it met all my rules. The RSA is below moving average here, and also it made good bearish candle. At the same time, it crossed 20 EMA line. So that is why I taken the entry. So it has given me a good result. And also, see here, is there any entry here? No, no, no. It didn't touch the EMA. That's why I'm not taking anything. Okay, that candle should touch the EMA, and it should make whether it is a buy or sell candle. Okay, strong candle it should be. And see here the market here there is reverse hammer candle is here. But RS is above moving average. So here I'm not going to take any entry because these two are conflicting. Okay, and I'll wait for a proper entry. No, even the market is moving down here, there is no proper entry for me. It didn't meet my condition, so I'm not taking it. See here the candle. See here candle crossed the 20 EMA. Okay, and also uh, RSA is above this moving average. So I'm taking an entry here. So I have taken an entry here. So then what happens? Then you should look for at least 1 is to 1 ratio and trail it accordingly. 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, as much as you could pull off. Okay, just trail it. You will have good result. See how much it has given, at least 1 is to 5 ratio is not a joke, right? So that's how it works. If you follow proper rules, market will reward you. Even you won't even imagine how much it is going to reward. See, if you do a trailing stop loss, see from here to here, candle to candle, if you move your stop loss, then how much you would have made? At least you would have exited here, right? Which means 95 points profit in a single stretch. Hmm. Is it a joke? No, right? That how it acts. See, one more point here we put for the like newcomers, for the beginners, it is suggested not to trade after 2:30. Why? The market volatility will increase. So just it is suggested not to take entry after that. Okay, see here the candle has made bearish candle. Okay, bearish candle it has made, but it didn't go. It hit the stop loss, right? It is failed trade. But here I want to tell you something. I told you discipline is very, very important in trading, right? What is discipline? Bounding to your rules. What are the rules? I do 3 trades per day. For myself, I put only 3 days per 3 trades, maximum 3 trades. If I can take consecutively 2 successful trades, I won't trade even third trade also. How much good it is going to be? Third trade would be, okay, or fourth trade would be. So that way, you have to put rules for yourself. Okay, then only you will succeed. See, because I put only 3 trades per day, today I ended up with very good profit. And here I didn't, I'm not going to fall into another failed trade, right? That way, you have to keep it. Okay, see, there is no entry here, no entry here, no entry here, no entry here, no entry here. Why there is no entry here? Because the candle did not close below the EMA. So that's why you're not taking an entry. See, even though it is a positive candle, strong positive candle, market RSA is below that moving average. I'm not taking an entry. That is the rule. Okay. The same way when it comes to the next day. See, market opened up here and then moved, no entry, no entry, no entry. See, market has given entry here. Okay, market has given entry here. What did I tell you? At least 1:1 you have to concentrate. Did it give you or not? Yes, it did. Then you can wait or you can try your stop loss because it is going 1:1. So you can bring your stop loss to entry price. So if there is any wrong going, you won't fall in. You're not going to take any loss. Maybe you won't receive any positive profits, but you're not going to take any loss. Okay. See, and next entry it has given. See, candle has closed below the 20 EMA, and at the same time here RSA is below EMA, MA moving average here. So I took sell side entry and it hit stop loss. It's fine, not a problem. Even though it hit the stop loss, it's okay for me. Okay, and immediately it has given me entry here, positive side, right? It has given entry here and made see how much profit it has given. Ultimately, if you can trail, you could take 45, 46 points of profit if you can trail the market, right? So this is how it's gonna be if you follow rules and regulations perfectly. This is how you're going to receive your rewards. And also, 2 minute trades per day is very, very risky. Just never take that. Just 2 or 3 trades per day. Okay, that is gonna be huge, huge. You won't even imagine how good it's gonna be. So here I want to conclude my video just to do a back testing for yourself and see the results and try to understand your strategy. I'm not telling you just follow these things only. You can use any of the indicators to build your strategy. Okay, that could be anything. So before closing, I'm telling you again and again, follow discipline. Yeah, be disciplined. Even though you make a loss in one day, if you are disciplined enough, you will recover them. Next day, you will recover the loss. Also, you can make profits. Okay. And also, one more important point is always maintain a trading journal. That is very important, very, very important for anyone. If you can maintain a trading journal like this, like maintaining this instrument, entry price, exit price, and buy and sell, and everything, if you can give a particular reason why you, if you made a profit, why you made, or if you made a loss, why you made it, if you can enter these things, you will come to an understanding what's happening in the market and what happened, why did you made profit or why did you make a loss. If you come to know all these things, you can overcome anything. Okay, you will be very, very successful. uh, should everyone's trading journal should be like this only? No, you can build your own trading journal. See, this trading journal is to make you understand yourself only. For your own understanding, you're making a trading journal, but not to impress or but not to please anyone else. Okay, so make it simple. I'll always keep it simple. Okay. So if you can make it more dynamic and beautiful, you can add some more colors or some more columns or rows. That's fine. Yeah. It's up to you. So what I suggest to you is keep it simple and create your own trading strategy. Don't waste your money for purchasing different strategies. Okay, and before building it, just if you want to build using trend indicator, momentum indicator, I mean to say, if you want to build a strategy using EMA or RSA, just try to learn something about EMA and RSA. Okay, if you don't know, I'll help you out. Otherwise, just find you can find so many references in YouTube channels, right? Just go through. There are so many books are available in the market. Just buy some and read some. Okay. I hope this video is very, very helpful for you and you make something out of it. Uh, and thank you for watching. Hope you will be successful in your trading career. Bye.